Hi guys, I am Vikash and today I am going to prepare India's most loved dish, which is chicken biryani. So first of all, let us see what the ingredients are. The ingredient is chicken, half kg of chicken, and then 2.5 cups of rice, one big or two medium size onion which is diced, and then around 4 tomatoes which is diced. Then we have 2.5 cup tablespoon of curd, and a lemon, a few chilies, 4 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is freshly prepared, and then we have some mint leaves, some coriander leaves, some bay leaves, and then we have cardamom, bigger and smaller cardamoms, and then cinnamon, cloves, and black pepper. For spices, we have taken red chili powder, salt, garam masala, turmeric powder, a little bit of cinnamon powder, a little bit of kesar, and this is fried cummins powder, around 1.5 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon of ghee to add flavor, and then I'm using mustard oil here. Which started. So the first step is to marinate chicken. So for marinating, we take curd, and then fried jeera powder, a little bit of cinnamon, turmeric, garam masala, salt. I'm using pink salt here, chili powder. This is red chili powder, it gives good color, and around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. This has to be mixed well. I'm using a full bone chicken here because it gives more flavor to the chicken biryani. We'll leave the pieces for getting marinated for a few minutes. Let's move to the next step. So I have taken a vessel and half of mustard oil. Now the mustard oil is hot. I'll put bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and black pepper. This is the onion. Mint leaves. And the ginger garlic paste. Now you can see that the onion is fried to light brown color. So yeah, let's close the flame off. We'll take out the onion into it. Okay, we'll use it later. Taken out the onion, but we'll be using the same oil to fry chicken. The masala and everything is mixed. So let's put the chicken in. Let's get it cooked for around 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is caramelized. And once the chicken is caramelized, then we'll mix up the ingredients. So we see the chicken is caramelized and the masala is also cooked. Now let us cook it separately. So I close this and then switch on another flame. Put the remaining oil. Let it get heated a little bit. So what we are going to do is we'll put the chicken, transfer it into the kadai. Okay. You see that the chicken is cooked, and I have also added the onion which was cooked earlier. And then we use the same vessel because we see a lot of masala is already stuck there, so it will add flavors to the rice. And we can use the same kachi by the way. So this is tomato which goes in. So you see whatever masala was stuck in the vessel, right? The tomato will pull it up. Now we'll use this tomato and cook it with rice. So you see, I have taken 5 cups of water and now we'll add rice. Okay. So now we have put rice in water and we'll close it for some time to get it cooked slowly. The rice has been cooking for around 10 minutes. Yeah. And we see it is half cooked. So this is the right time we put in the other items. So put in saffron. This will give a nice aroma to the rice. And this is ghee. And we put in chicken that we have prepared. So we spread the chicken on the rice. See, the chicken is cooked. It's leaving off the bones. Now we will put coriander. We have chopped it up. Chilies, these are slit in between. So we put the chilies. Chilies you can put based on your taste. And lemon. So we will mix it very lightly, slowly. Just turn over the rice. Make sure you don't mix it too much, otherwise the rice will break. And now let's cover it for some time to give it the dum. Okay, so we have left our biryani for 10 minutes.